All right, so here we are in my Jigsaw classroom. Depending on which one you're in, it might look differently, but here's how you turn your camera on. Here's how you turn your mic on. Hi, everybody. You can tell your mic's on when it turns green. Then you can turn them off. Right here is the chat pod. All right. Um, okay, the little men in each corner of each pod will make the pod bigger. So I click on this, and now all I'm seeing is the chat pod, right? We're probably, I will tell you if we're going to use the note board, but I don't know that we are yet, so I'm not going to bother explaining that right now. When I'm showing a presentation, I'll probably make it bigger so you can see better. But here's the part I wanted to show you. When you come into the class, this is probably going to say group whiteboard. This is where I can write on the whiteboard so that everyone can see. Okay, but when you're doing work, you're going to click on my whiteboard. All right. And so, for example, if we're doing a warm up, what I'll ask you to do is I'll say, okay, go ahead and do your warm up. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to click this copy to whiteboard, right? You're going to click that and it'll copy that page onto your whiteboard. Over here are all the tools. The one you want to be really, really careful with is this eraser. I would actually try not to erase anything because watch, you can actually erase the whole page. Okay, so I would be super careful with that eraser when we're doing stuff like this. Um, and we've got a line tool, we've got squares, we've got pens. Here is the typing tool. I know you guys like the typing tool. Make sure it's big enough for me to see you. And then there's like a little box right here. It's hard to see because it's really faint, but there is actually a way to make this box bigger, and I didn't. There we go. All right, so that's for typing. And you do have different colors and things that you can use. You can do bold, you can underline, you can do italics, and you can say that you're done. All right, and then what else do we have that I want to show you? Oh, and this is a math typing tool. Okay, it is not a calculator. It's just if you wanted to, let's see, that's 12, 13, that's 12, 15. Okay, if you wanted to, you'd still have to do your work in a calculator, but this would allow you to write it on the board. Okay, it's going to pop up here, so you're going to have to put it where you want it. Okay, um, and then so that would be for the warm up. And then if we happen to be taking notes that day, I might have you keep going, right? I might say, okay, let's start our notes. And notice it says copy blank to my whiteboard now. Well, you have to go to the next page on your whiteboard and you click like this. Okay. And then you can either take your notes while you're looking at my screen, or you might make them bigger, whatever you want to do, but you can take notes, right? And so let's say that we've taken a few pages of notes. Okay. And then let's say class is over, or we're done taking notes. Class isn't over, but let's say we're done taking notes. Okay, what we're going to do now is instead of having to take screenshots like we used to, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Save as PDF. And now this is going to save your entire whiteboard, all the pages, into a single PDF. Actually, I'll put math work. Okay. Hit save. And now just to show you what that looks like, okay, it looks like this. All right, and it is going to show up the size that you made it. So, you might want to make things bigger, but whatever. And then you can just attach this in Schoology, and that would be your work for today. Okay, so that's how to manage the whiteboard. And I will, and then when you're in a breakout room, it's going to be exactly the same, except now it's going to be a group whiteboard, and I will actually have the pages copied for you so that all you have to do is, scroll through the pages to do it. But it's going to be the same thing when you're in a breakout room. All right, so I will we will go ahead and get started on this.